following is a test of the emergency alert system.
Service in Dodge City has issued a flash flood warning for northern Stafford County and South Central Kansas. This includes the cities of Zenith, Stafford, Seward, Radium, Hudson until 5 a.m. At 1:53 a.m., flash flooding was reported from an area of slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall over northern Stafford County. Radar estimates of over 4 inches of rain has fallen, with additional heavy rainfall expected. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flash flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. To report flooding, have the nearest law enforcement agency relay a report to the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Dodge City. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5 a.m. for the following counties: Stafford County and South Central Kansas.